Hello students, in this video we will discuss about those sentences which begin with let in the topic direct and indirect. So if a question in reported part begin with let, then we have following conditions. What are the conditions? The first condition is that if let is given, then we need always an object after let. After let, we can write an object. If object is not written after let, in case the given sentence will be wrong. So with the let and object, we have further some more conditions. So what are the conditions? With let, we may have two type of object. In the first type, we may have an object in the form of us. And in another type, we do not have us. We have other type of object. In the first condition, we have an object in the form of us, and in the another condition, we do not have us as an object. So what type of structure can be created here? You can create it let us, otherwise let's see it. We can write let's see it, otherwise let's see it. In other object, we can write let me see it. So both sentences are correct. But both sentences follow different rules while changing direct sentence into indirect. So we will discuss one by one both conditions. So first of all, we will discuss a sentence in which we have us as an object. So the first condition first. When let us, otherwise let's is given. So if let's is given, then we have such type of sentence structure. In this sentence structure, here we have a verb, that is your reporting verb. Then we have our reported part, and this reported part begins with let and us. After us, we have a verb in the form of first form. After first form, we may have another object, and at the end of sentence, we have full stop. So such type of structure is given with the condition of let us. So while writing your answer, we always change the reporting verb. So here reporting verb is changed in two ways. You can write suggested. Otherwise, you can write proposed. A proposed may be written with two preposition. But it is the rule that if proposed to is written, in case of this, we need an object in reporting part. If reporting object is given, then we can write proposed to. Otherwise, it will be better if we write suggested, otherwise only proposed. So proposed to goes with reporting object. Now we need the connector word, so in this condition we use that as a connector word. So that is used to combine both reporting and reported sentence. After that we need an object. So for object we need a subject. So to write the subject, we take help of us. In this case, we change us into subjective case. Us belongs to the plural number. So when it is changed into subjective case, then subjective case must be written in plural number. So in the pronoun we have two types of plural pronouns. One is we, otherwise they. We can write here as a subject we, otherwise they. But we and they also have different rules for their using. After we or they, we change let into should. Let is changed into should modal. And according to the rule, we always write verb first form after modal. What we have after verb first form in the question, write the same portion after verb first form in your answer. If there is a pronoun or adjective or a time adverb that is to be changed, then you can change. Otherwise, if there is nothing to be changed, then write the same words in your answer after the first form. So here we use reporting verb, suggested, otherwise proposed to. Proposed to always goes with reporting object. If there is no reporting object in the question, then we do not use proposed to. After writing reporting verb, we need to write a connector word. Connector word here we use that when let us is given. That always follows to a subject. So to write a subject, we change us into two pronouns. One is us and one is we and another is they. So when we can use we or they, it will be discussed. But first of all, we have to look complete sentence. After writing we or they, we change let into should modal. And after let's, what we have in the sentence, write in the same sequence in your answer also. If there is a pronoun, adjective or time adverb that is to be changed, then we change them. Otherwise, we write in as it is sequence that we have in the question. Now, we understand in what conditions we write we or in what conditions we write they. So, the rule is that if first person pronoun, if first person pronoun is given in reporting part, then change us into we, then change us into we subject. Second note is otherwise always write they subject. If a first person pronoun is given in the reporting part, then we change us into we. If there is no first person pronoun in reporting part, then we always write they as a subject. In other words, we change us into they when first person pronoun isn't given in the question in reporting part. So we will follow this rule and have some examples. So here we have some examples. The first example is Tamanna said, here I also write, Tamanna said to Anil, let's sing together. So this is the question in which we have let's in the reported part. Now write the answer according to the rule. In reporting part, we have only a single change in reporting verb. We do not have any change in reporting subject and object. In reporting verb, we have changes according to the reported sentence. If reported sentence begins with let's, then we change reporting verb into suggested, otherwise purposed to. So if reporting object is given, then we write purposed to. After purposed to, we write reporting object, it is Anil. Now to combine the both sentences, we need a connector word, it is that. Here I also write proposed, it is proposed. That. Now we put the rules on let's. It is a rule that connector word always follows to subject. So we need a subject. To fulfillment need of subject, we change us object into the subjective case. So us will become a subject according to the pronoun of reporting part. If in reporting part we have first person pronoun, in case we change us into we. If there is no first person pronoun, in case we always write they. So if you look into the reporting part, there is no first person pronoun, it is only noun. So we change us into they. Now let is changed into should. So we write that they should. Now what we have in the question, write the remaining part of the question in same sequence until they don't have any changes. So we write together. So this is the answer of this question. If you have the first person pronoun in your question, suppose you have here me, then we have only a single change. What is the change? In case of first person pronoun, we change us into we. Other rules are same. There is no any condition except subjective case in the option of reporting portion, in which we have or not have first person. So this is the rule of let with us object. Now we will carry the same topic in next video when let is given without us object. Thank you.